Ready to launch your own blog and start making money? Let's dive in. Get ready to start making money right away with Blog Profit Pro. In this video, I'll guide you through the easy steps to get started. Choose a niche that excites you. From fashion to cuisine to travel, the possibilities are endless. Step 2. Pick a catchy and memorable domain name that reflects your niche. Craft a text that captivates and leaves a lasting impression, while also being easily associated with your brand. Step 3. Find a hosting provider you can trust. I highly recommend it for its excellent service and affordable prices. Let's move on to Step 4. Installing WordPress on your domain. Our platform makes blogging a breeze, easy to set up and even easier to maintain. Get creative and make your blog stand out with a personal touch. Step 5. Capture your brand's essence with a captivating motif. Step 6. Create valuable content for your audience. Craft captivating blog posts filled with valuable insights, practical tips, and captivating anecdotes. Boost your blog's visibility with the power of social media. Step 7. Unleash the potential of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to spread the word about your amazing content. Get your content out there, connect with your audience, and build a loyal following. Ready to start making money from your blog? Step 8 is all about monetizing your blog and turning it into a profitable venture. Let's dive in and start earning some cash. Boost your revenue with effective strategies like affiliate marketing, sponsored articles, and digital product sales. Step 9. Keep your blog thriving with top-notch content. Stay connected and engaged with your specialized community while working to broaden the reach of your blog. That's a wrap. Earn money from day one with Blog Profit Pro by following these simple steps. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips and techniques.